Hello Google reviewer team, thank you for reviewing BriefMe application. In this video I will explain the complete functionality of BriefMe, demonstrate how Google services are used, explain why specific Google API scope are required, and show how user data is securely handled. This walkthrough is designed to clearly explain the app purpose and ensure compliance with the Google API policy. BriefMe is an AI-powered productivity app that helps users to manage their work information in a central place. BriefMe uses AI to filter incoming the information and reduce the noise. It only focuses on email, message, meet that are important to the user. So user can step away from work with confidence. When they return, they can quickly see a clear summary of what happened while they were offline. BriefMe also offers scheduling brief for the specific time period, including daily briefs such as morning brief and weekend brief, and also available vacation mode summary. This app is connected with commonly used tools such as Gmail, Calendar, Slack, Outlook, Team, and some other platform. So BriefMe is bring together conversation, task, event in a clear view. It highlight also important decision, deadline, action item, so user do not miss anything important. BriefMe also provide instant notification when needed, such as important mention, critical conversation, or some time sensitive email. So this is help to ensure that nothing is important is missed. So instead of showing the random message in the other platform, BriefMe organize everything in a simple and clear view with the summary. There is no noise, only context the user need and what's the important for the user. Let me show the Google app currently we are using for the Google authentication and access the scope. So here the project BriefMe we are using, and this is created from the official BriefMe email address you can see here. So let's go inside the app with the client ID and authorize URL and authorize redirect URL. So let me show inside the code. So we are using same client ID, authorize redirect URL, and we are asking those scope. Let me explain each of them one by one. Before it, let me try to log in inside the app. So here the login app URL, so user can sign in from the Google. Let me do it. So you can see out the BriefMe app. So currently it's this app is not verified at, so we can go with the unsave. Let's continue. So here are all the scope we already added inside the code. So inside the application config file we have already defined all the scope which are used. So let me explain one by one. So first let me go with the Google read only. This permission is used for analyze email information along with the basic information, sender, subject. This is used for categorize the incoming message and generate a brief summary. Then second one is a Gmail modify. Permission is used for apply specific label to the Gmail based on AI categorize. This is a help user to visualize the Gmail inbox directly. Let me show it inside the Gmail box. So that label are created by BriefMe, and also it's apply on the email based on the content of the inside the email. Basically this label features are not active by default, so there is an option if user want to enable this feature, then after only it will be generated and assigning label automatically. So yeah, there is a third one is a Gmail send scope. So this permission is used to create a draft email for the follow-up item. Basically it's a draft generated by AI, and this is a not send email direct automatically. It's just available for view, editable and delete by user as well. So and later on user can send email reply by manually. Other two scope calendar read only and task read only. Permission is to generate the personalized daily brief for the user, and the app is read upcoming calendar event meeting and it display inside the brief me app. The access is strictly read only. The app does not create, edit, delete any task or event. Let me continue the login process. Once a user in login, it's redirect to dashboard. Here the showing the previous generated brief and upcoming calendar event as well, and user can generate new brief from the here. Like user can select uh, the duration time for the summary. So it's already it started. So in this process background, brief me app is collecting the emails calendar event on that duration and store inside the database, and using the AI it's generated summary and also highlighted important point, follow up, generated follow up item and generate audio. Let me show inside the database what's exactly happening. So inside, like firstly, once we sign up the user, so access token and refresh token are stored inside the database with the encrypted form. And once we collecting data from the Gmail, it's also inside the database. It stored as the encrypted form, same as the brief summary. So it's a security level, so anyone cannot read the personal details from the Gmail and also some summaries. So once it's process completed, that is also audio also be generated and showing the detail and messages what they have covered inside the summary. So follow up item from the listing here is another option as well for focus mode, offline vacation mode as well, and these are platform we have already integrated. So and also there is a settings for the email particular account. So there is an option to allow AI feature like auto labeling enable or disable. So once user is enabled, then after only the assign the label and created this label, otherwise it's not creating. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for reviewing BriefMe application, and BriefMe also respect the user privacy. Users only require permission and follow the Google API policy. Please let me know if any additional information is needed. Thank you.